Hey guys, welcome back to Project Rubber Band, and today I will be showing you how to make wooden go-kart steering. Alright, this is literally the simplest way to do it on the internet. There's literally no simpler way to do it because of just how simple it is. The way I'm gonna show you guys is literally you just take a board off your go-kart, and then you take a board and you put it across, and you put a bolt through, and then you put two wheels on the side. That's pretty much the basic way you can do it. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the details of how I did mine, and so let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first thing I did was I built a basic frame, just one 2x4 there, and across. And then if I kick this sheet out of the way, I screwed a board out, and I screwed it to these two boards going across, just to give it some stability. And then over here, right here is I got a bolt right through, and in between here is two washers. And then under here, if you look, I had to do some finagling because, and under here the thread started down here, and so I had to put a spacer and like a couple washers, and then just crank it on there. And you have to measure from this side and this side, and then do some math, and then eventually get that hole right in the center. And then if you look on this side of the wheel, I'm just gonna show you this side. I got this tire, and I got a axle that fits the tire, and I'm gonna flip this over so you guys can see. Alright guys, so because this build has no welding in it, I had to do this bracket thing where I took a straight piece of metal and kind of like bent it around this steel pole and then screwed it down with screws. This setup is not tested off-road or anything. I like just built it, so don't completely copy me with this situation right here. This is just to show you how it can be mounted on the bottom of this board. Alright guys, so I don't know if there's anything else I need to say here. If there was something I missed, please post in the comments so I can say in the next video. I think that's all the steps on how to put wooden steering on your go-kart. The one thing I want to say that I didn't say earlier in this video is, because I put two washers in between those two boards, is so it's metal on metal and it's not wood on wood, because wood on wood is like really like, it'll be really like stuck when you're trying to turn it, but metal on metal, it'll just slide. And so that is why I did that. Alright, I hope you guys like this video. I hope it helped you, some of you guys, if you're having problems with making wooden steering. That's pretty much the simplest way, as I said earlier. Please like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Definitely hit that subscribe button because I love subscribers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you didn't learn anything, I hope you liked the video, and I'll see y'all next time.